Hello soulmates, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be seeing how we join our bustier dress together, just the top part, right? So here I'm attaching the wording on the cutout bustier style, and I'm just impressing it down, as you can see. So I'm attaching the wording, the soft wording, actually making use of my hemming gum. This hemming gum does a lot, to be honest. It does a lot. So here I'm just going to attach it to the sides and then notch the corners of this cutout. As you can see, I'm also attaching it to the middle part of the cutout, right? The pattern is there already, so I just steam it down just so it gives that side more stability and it makes it more prominent. So here I'm just trimming out and doing all the needful. Now you can see we are set to sew. Here, just please make sure that you take your time, because the curvy side of this pattern is going to stress you a bit, but no grief for anybody. So yeah, you can just take your time and join all the way to the top. You start from the bottom, ensure that your notches align. That's from the under bust, the bust point, and then the top bust area. So you do this for both the right side and the left side. As you can see, what I'm doing here, I'm just raising it up just so that side is more prominent. If you wish, you can top stitch at this point, but I do not really find it necessary, because I mean there's still going to be ready-made cup inside, so what's the need? So right, I'm just doing the same thing for the left side. As you can see, I am measuring out the distance that I have from my center front to the first joining that I had at that side, just so that your lines are aligned, right? That you have enough to sew in as your sewing allowance, and then you're not getting short of fabric in any way. So here, like I said before, take your time and walk through the curvy parts. Ensure that all your notches align. I cannot overemphasize this. Ensure that all your notches align. And here you can see what we have. So right now I went ahead to notch again, just to give the bodice a more relaxing look, so it doesn't look too stressed. And I'm taking in all of the sewing allowance. I'm opening them out. You can see the bust stamp start there that I'm using. It just makes my life pretty easy. So here, open out all of the seam allowances. For some persons, they cut it out. Me, I don't like to cut it out, so I just press open it out, and then voila, you can see this is what we have. So now, to give it a more better finishing, like, you just cut out a piece of stay, whatever stay you can find. Cut it out in the shape of that bust area, and then steam press it on it. It gives your bustier more stability at this part. It is not so important, but you can try it. It is very optional, but it's going to be worth it in the end. Now it is time to attach this ready-made cup. So I do not attach this to my main fabric. I attach it to the lining, and just so I have that curviness that I want at the bust area, I take in a bit of that inside this cup. And as you can see, I'm marking out where my under bust is on the lining, and I'm placing it just right at that point. So the picked part is going to be placed. Ensure that you have this placed correctly, guys, so you don't end up with toggle on your bust cups and then you sew it all around. Take note, you sew while you have the picked parts of the ready-made cup facing the lining. It is not up, you face it down, so that when you turn this over on your fabric, you are going to have it perfectly laid inside. And here you can see what I have. Pardon me if this is not very visible. And that's all. Please kindly subscribe, follow this channel back to back, like, comment, and share. Thank you so much. Mwah.